Okay, what's up everybody? This is Evan from Iknk. So real quick, we're just going to go over a couple of trades I made today on July 14th, 2021, as well as yesterday, July 13th, 2021. First, we're going to start with Microsoft. Very simple trade. I actually shorted this first and then longed it. So up here, as SPY was starting to turn, as you guys know, when SPY turns, I like to look for certain trades to the downside to flow with it on stocks that are basically highly correlated with the market. So Microsoft right here, we saw this turtle top here rounding below the 13 EMA on the 5-minute, both EMAs here, flat slope, and we started to turn down. So I was short up in this region at 282 and covered into my hourly target here. Once we hit that hourly target there, I actually got long once we saw this turtle bottom down here. And I'm still holding this into here for the swing. I sold some into today's high or yesterday's prior high at 282.65. So basically I caught 3 points to the downside, switched long once I saw the reversal pattern to the downside, and sold into prior resistance. So hitting this short and long. This is something I go over a lot in classes, but very, very simple stuff here. Basically, there was just a reversal pattern. Once we got extended away from the hourly trend, I shorted up there and I bought the dip at the actual hourly trend that we've been holding quite often, and is a very, very strong upward momentum trend. So very simple trade there. Could have made 3 points to the downside, 3 points to the upside with ease. The other one we're going to go over today is Caterpillar, which I caught about 4 points on. All I did was short the FU breakdown here, and which also followed up into a pull into that hourly 13 EMA, that hourly trend. We're breaking down the daily, the 20 minutes breaking down. Everything was looking down. So I'm going to cover this a lot more in our mentor class. So if you guys are actually in the chat room or in our accelerator program, check out the mentor class from today, July 14th, 2021, and you'll be able to see a full-fledged breakdown of this trade in a lot more detail. But basically, we pulled into the trends on the macro time frames. We're breaking down a bear flag on the daily, and all the micro time frames gave us those quick triggers there, like that FU breakdown to the downside. Other one was Pepsi. Anytime we break out to 52-week highs on strong volume like we had yesterday, I like to look for dips to long into. So all I did was long into the 5-minute trend here for a quick day trade, and sold once we started to get extended away and had this little micro double top here right above 155.15. So that was good for a quick point. Hopefully these reviews made a little bit of sense for you. Like I said, if you guys are in chat or want to hop in, I'm doing a lot more detailed breakdowns of these. But really just wanted to give you a taste of what we do on a day-to-day basis. Right here, this was about 1.5 on Pepsi. Caterpillar was about 4.5 points, and Microsoft yesterday and on the short and the long combined for about 7 points in total. So even if you played 100 shares of all that, that's pretty good money. So appreciate you guys' time. Let me know if you have any questions below, and hopefully you enjoyed these quick reviews.